Hi friends, in this video we shall learn how to update data in one table from another table in SQL Server. It's a very practical topic and a very common interview question. We shall work with realistic examples, starting with customer and orders table and end by applying conditional updates, right? So let's jump in. First, let's create two tables, customer and orders. The goal is to update customer details based upon the information from the orders table. Follow this script to create and populate the tables. So I just execute this script. Okay, so it has created two tables in our database. So let's run the select query to verify data in both tables. Okay, let's assume for some reason data in city column is incorrect for these customers and data in shipping city for these customer is correct. So based upon the customer ID, we need to update city column in customer table from the order table. So let's write query for this. Update from and join it with orders table. Here I set the value for the city to update from the shipping city. Now for these customers in customer table, the value of city column should be replaced with the value of shipping city. Let's run the select queries for both table again to verify the data. Okay, in this query we updated the city column in the customer table using the shipping city column from the orders table. We used an inner join to match records based upon customer ID. Now let's say we want to update only specific rows. For example, update the city for customers who placed an order for a certain date. For example, who placed order before 1st November 2024. Okay, we recreated and reset both tables. Now we want to update city column in the customers table for customers who have placed an order before 1st November 2024. So here we will add a where clause where order date is less than 1st November 2024. So let me execute this query. Here we added a where clause to the query to ensure only customers with the orders placed before 1st November 2024 get their city updated. And that's it. This is very common and a real world use case and a very important SQL interview quiz. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.